Our role is to get the customers back on the road in replacement vehicles that we provide them. So we are there when they need us. When we're part of their journey to getting back onto the road, it gets them to do everything that they need to do.
What excites me is that being able to advocate for our clients, helping them establish that order again and helping them get what they deserve. It shows it's a place where we actually make real impact. For those out there who are looking for a job that's meaningful, Carbiz is definitely the place to be.
I was here for a few months, really liked the vibe, the atmosphere of the whole workplace. So I thought, why not bring Bella here? And so then brought her on, and we've been together now for 9 months.
Yeah, 9 months.
It's great that there's lots of other siblings here as well. It's nice knowing everyone's brought their family in. I feel like it shows the environment of the workplace.
The 5 values we have here at Carbiz are better than yesterday, love what we do, valuing people, win with trust, and collaborative core. Those are the qualities that we look for that are not on the resume. People who are energetic and enthusiastic, we found that they have been thriving at Carbiz. They've either developed into more senior or leadership roles, or you can see in the day-to-day efforts that they're a lot more confident.
5 years ago, I was 19. I started as a customer service executive, washing cars, cleaning them and delivering them. From there, I transitioned into a senior CSE, which led to team lead, and eventually now 5 years later, the branch ops manager. It's a really good spot to be in, to be able to prove yourself, because you will get rewarded for it.
It's the best management I've ever had. I really do appreciate it. It makes me feel wanted. The managers do show that respect by always making it comfortable to go and talk to them.
I enjoy the people. I enjoy that we have a really good team. I also enjoy that we get to meet new clients and people and the reactions to when we help them.
It's not just a job, you come out with so much more than just work at the end of the day.